moving forward with courage and unity. Let us give them a warm round of applause as they share this inspiring message through song.
Every step we take, a story unfolds. The strength inside us, brave and bold. Through all the trials, we've reached the goal. Our dreams are the treasures we proudly hold. This is our time, a moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand, this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we learned, the bonds we made. The love and guidance that never fade. With every challenge we're unafraid. For in our hearts the foundations lay. This is our time, a moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we'll stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way. We've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight. With hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our time, a moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every fight, we found our way. We've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight. With hearts on fire, burning bright. This is the time, beginning to see. We'll always breathe. We set ourselves free.
Please be seated. Once again, thank you, dear competitors, and congratulations. At this very moment, ladies and gentlemen, let us take this opportunity to recognize the students who have shown outstanding academic performance from grades 7, 8, 9, and 11. May we kindly request the class advisors of these grade levels to come up on stage to assess in the recognition of our deserving students. Okay, so before the awarding of academic achievers in the grade level with 7 to grade 11. So as we are about to close the program, let us all hear and welcome with a round of applause very own squad principal. As we are about to close the program, let us all hear and welcome with a round of applause our very own school principal, Ma'am Elmi M. Bontia, to deliver her closing remarks and acknowledgement.
mag-closing remarks lang sa tanong kay ang atong mga bisita na apa sila'y appointment, apa sila'y katuunan po, no? So, first of all, sa akong closing remarks and acknowledgement, number 1 ang Ginoo. I'm so happy, no? Nakita mo sa inyong mga kauga and following you are the great 10 completers. Dili mo maabot ani nga point karon kung wala ang Ginoo na ang naging natong pasalamatan. Let's clap our hands for the Lord together. Siya yung ang kanang source sa atong kalampusan. Next, I would like to acknowledge mga parents, mga ginikanan. Salamat kaayo sa inyong mga support. Salamat kaayo nga wakit mo ni-give up sa inyong mga anak. Ibalogyo ko nga dili tanan mga anak buutan. Na may mga buutan pero sahay makalimot silang buutan dahil sila. But still, ang mga parents na agihapon mo karon. Because of that, nawala yun mo, nilunga, wag yun mo na discourage, wag yun mo na puli, wag yun mo na kuhay o paglaom, wag yun mo gikapoy na agid mo karon. Palakpakan na to, students and mga parents. Salamat po kaayo, dear parents, sa inyong suporta sa Lintugog National High School sa kanang mga activities nato. Then, I would like to thank also our DepEd representative, Sir Apolinario Manali Buaho Jr. tungod sa iyahang storya of successful individuals. Naminaw ba mo? Ito yung paminaw mo. Success stories. Nga bigyan na ito iglain na mismo si Sir Pahaw. Ang word dito is, nga nung nakakaman siya is working. When mo galit ang working, ang kapital ana is kakugi. Nilampo si Sir sa iyong story tungkol siyang kakugi. And the rest of those success stories ngayon diingon, hinaot nga naamoy makuha. Next to our guest speaker, Ma'am Kyoto. Daghan kita na po, no? Sa iyang istorya, working gihapon. Sa iyang pagka-working, kapital niya, di lang ang kakugi, pagkahanggol, pagpaubos. Daghan kay set character. My dear students, ang atong theme, dili lang kaya na kay kanang inyong mga medals din na karon ang importante. Kanang inyong certificate. Kanang inyong certificate, madulaan na sa inyong mga manghud mag-isip. Kanang inyong medal, mabot ang tuig. Tayaon. But, ang real nga ating mainhan sa inyong achievement na agyod sa atong batasan. Asa to? Batasan. No? Kanang agyod ha. Itong mga batasan, nagbatbat sa itong mga speakers. Bisag bilang lang ito. Padayunan ninyo. Kakugi. Pagpaubos. Pagkamainang puon. Pagpasensya. O labi na diyo. Pagka malakot kayo. Thank you kaayo, dear speakers, sa inyong mga inspiring words. Sa atong barangay official, itong kapitan, represented by Murag si Arnold Schwarzenegger. Salamat kaayo, konsihal, nga naaka. Sa atong mga official sa PTA, Ma'am Motilia, Pastor, o si Ma'am Canerio, liwag imong anak, salamat kayo. To our teachers! Cellphone sila ron, kaya paggutom daw sila. Kung wala bitaw ni sila, wala din mo'y nakakunan. Palakpakan na to itong mga teachers din. May balong yun ko, mataghan din mong nakakunan nila. No? Taghan din kayo salamat. Di lang ni sa atong decoration, di lang